birds have left the ice hole now. Okay, get them a little bit of food now. Let's go see how the other birds are doing. Come, bud. Yeah, buddy doesn't like walking in this slush. Actually, who does? I see the birds already spreading out. Get some grass. Ice is still there, but it's getting covered full of rainwater, of course, and the melting snow. Yeah, just the ducks are over at the ice hole. Still some beautiful ice. I mean, it'd be cool to go out there and skate it. Well, actually it wouldn't be. Probably dangerous. And if you fall, you definitely get wet. Still some coots over this way. Yeah, they feel spring. This weekend, in a week, so less than a week, it'll be 16 Celsius. About, what is that, about 65 degrees all of a sudden. There's a big hole in there, nice. afraid of the camera. Holy moly.